Good morning, welcome to the Market View for Friday the 15th of August 2014. Starting off with the 30-minute chart, we can see another miserable, boring day yesterday for the British pound at, just after the start there at 8 a.m. you can see that we had a potential sell signal. The market just filling the order, and then some new buying coming into the market to reverse it, and then prices moving up within the next hour to actually stop out the trade for a 19 pip loss. This was the same in the 60-minute chart as well, which you can see here. Let me just move the chart over a bit. Just got a problem here. There we go. Just reset that and move the chart over to the left there. So exactly the same in the 60-minute chart. You can see there 22 pip loss for the 60-minute, and the 30-minute a 19 pip loss there. So a very boring, quiet day. Normal service seems to have resumed, and the whole range for yesterday, the trading range for the British pound from the low to the high, was a massive 39 points. So very quiet once again, and there's not a lot we can actually do about it. I mean, if you look at the remainder of the day, I mean, it traded in what looks like about 10-point range, 16 points at the max there. So again, given the spread, not a lot happening there at all. In the daily charts, you can see yesterday the market coming back off the low, sort of a test there down at the 167 level there. You can see the market just holding at this at the moment, selling for the previous day, but the market's yesterday just sideways to higher after testing down on the low side. So it retested, and then the market was brought back. So again, it's interesting to see whether the 167 holds today, should the market move around a bit. Let's see what's going to move the market today. We've got the Italians on holes, the French on holes, second estimate for GDP at 9:30. That could be interesting. It's forecast at 0.8. Let's wait and see what it does come out at. But based upon what Carney was saying the other day, I wouldn't be surprised if that doesn't come out lower. And PPI for the US at 1:30. That's the high impact news item. And then you've got the prelim UOM consumer sentiment out at 2:55 this afternoon for the US as well. So fairly quiet news day, but the sort of advanced GDP should be an interesting one for, or second estimate that they're calling it now. Could be interesting at 9:30. Meanwhile, in the Dow yesterday, the market moving higher, and again on fresh air, which we'll see in just a moment. So again, moving higher on fresh air. There's low volume around. There's no buying around to support this market. The market heading for the 76%, which is 16,741. And that's just the day session figures that are calculated here. They will be slightly different from the MT4 perspective because they include overnight. This price chart only includes the 2:30 to 9 p.m. Trading session. And in the Dow implied, this also moving lower. And there's an interesting fact, actually, that if the market retraces more than 50% of the recent move, it's likely that the underlying market will continue to move higher. So ballpark from 8 to 14 is 22, divided by 2 is 11. We're below 11. So we could see the market remain sideways to higher, of course, trading up on fresh air. That's the only thing. But then again, it's been trading higher on fresh air since 2009. So nothing new there. No major buying that like we used to see in this market. Of course, you've got corporations borrowing money to buy back their own stock. So it's just a matter of time before the whole lot does come tumbling down. But again, we've just got to wait until that actually happens. I mean, we had a 300-point drop off the last drop in the implied volatility. It's a case of just waiting to see if the market can do the same again based upon some financial issue, whether it is the corporations borrowing money to buy back stocks or another banking problem, whatever, because the banking crisis isn't sorted either. So anyway, that's it for today. Also for the week, have a great weekend. As ever, thank you for your support. Very much appreciated. I will see you on Monday. And as ever, thanks for watching.